everyone, welcome to Greenlane Off-Road. My name's Donovan, and today we're going to be installing a set of our aluminum sliders on our brand new 2024 Tacoma short bed. We're going to get started on the passenger side, and to begin, we're going to remove the 3 plastic frame plugs located here, here, and here, using our panel tool. Next, we're going to remove the 2 bolts holding the ground straps to the frame using a 12mm socket. We won't be reusing those bolts, but we will be reinstalling the ground straps using new hardware. Next, we're going to get our hardware ready. We're going to install a washer over the bolt, and we like to use a little bit of copper never seize on the bolts just to make sure that they're easily removable in the future. Next, we're going to offer up the slider, making sure that the ground straps are on top of the frame mount plates. Once we get it lined up, we'll put a couple of bolts in just loosely to hold it while we put in the rest of the bolts. Next, we're going to finish putting the rest of the hardware in loosely before we tighten everything down. The smaller 8mm hardware is for the ground straps. Once we have all the bolts started, we can go ahead and tighten them all up. Installation of the driver's side is exactly the same as the passenger side, except we don't have to deal with the 2 ground straps. We'll start by removing the 3 plastic frame plugs and install the slider in exactly the same way. On the rear mount on both sides, you won't be able to fit a washer because the holes are so close to the standoff. So just install the flange bolts without a washer. Next, we're going to go around and just torque everything up to 20 foot-pounds, and your installation is complete.